Behind me, I've got two Atlas Copco compressors, quite older type models. The clients were looking to service the engines. We found a couple of faults on them. This one in particular has the F4M 2011 Deutz engine in. It had low compression, it doesn't want to start. So we sent the block in for engineering. I think the block has just returned now. We'll have a look at that to see how the engineering looks. And exactly the same with this model. This one has the BF4L 1011F engine in. It went for a complete engine overhaul, new liners, new pistons, line bore the crank, grind the crank, all those type of things has been replaced. So this engine is almost finished, ready to put back into the application, to start and test it and to send it back to its original owner.